This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Fuel filter renewal, diesel models. Pull the bonnet release handle in the driver's footwell. Release the secondary catch, open the bonnet and support it with the bonnet stay. First, remove the windscreen scuttle panel. Pull the bonnet release handle in the driver's footwell. Release the secondary hatch, open the bonnet and support it with the bonnet stay. Pull off the weather sealing strip. Lift the cowl centre panel to release it from the side panels and from the base of the windscreen. Disconnect the windscreen washer hose and remove the cowl centre panel from the car. Detach these wiring clips from the lower scuttle panel. Then unclip the bonnet cable. Remove the two left-hand side lower scuttle panel fixings. Remove the two right-hand side lower scuttle panel fixings. The lower scuttle panel can now be removed from the car. The fuel filter is located here, at the back of the engine. Clean the housing thoroughly before you dismantle it to prevent dirt contaminating inlets on removal. Use a flat-bladed screwdriver to unclip and remove this wiring plug. Using the Vauxhall special tool KM796A, detach the fuel hose quick release connectors. You can also do this with a pair of long-nosed pliers. In this case, we've put a couple of cable ties over the end of the pliers to help depress the retaining tangs. Remove the hoses from the fuel filter housing and cover the hose connections to prevent dirt getting in. Lift the housing from the crash box. Unscrew the top of the housing, tip out the fuel and remove the filter. Remove the old seals from the lower housing and bolt and fit a new seal to the bolt. Fit the new filter to the housing top, making sure it's the right way up. Fit a new seal to the lower housing. Lubricate the housing seal and fit the lower section to the top section, taking note of the tab locations. Fit the housing back into the crash box, unplug the fuel hoses and reconnect them, and reconnect the wiring plug. Use a pair of pliers to undo the clip and then disconnect the fuel return hose. Fit a pipe adapter and length of clear pipe to the return hose. Use a hand-operated vacuum pump to draw fuel from the return hose. Reconnect the fuel return hose. Start the car and let it run for a minute or so. Refit the windscreen scuttle panel.